Hey everyone! On the Velar channel today, I'll show you how to open a zip file on a laptop. Open any browser. Type in 7-zip, then click download and choose your version. You might have a 32-bit Windows, I have 64-bit. Click download and open the installer. Choose the installation path, click install, then click close. Now select the zip file you need. Right-click on it. Select it and right-click on it. Click Open With, choose another app. If 7-zip isn't listed, select 7-zip, click Open, and your zip file will open. Then move it somewhere to extract it. This was Velar. See you all later.